Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for pet owners, the Dr.Easy Lint and Hair Remover Pet Hugesheets. We found this fantastic item online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are Dr.Easy Hugesheets? These are innovative lint and hair removers specifically designed to tackle the persistent pet hair and lint that can cling to your clothes, furniture, and even your car. With a count of 200 sheets per pack, these pet Hugesheets are not just any lint rollers, they're your new best friend in maintaining a clean, hair-free environment. One of the standout features of Dr.Easy Hugesheets is their plant and mineral-based formula. Unlike traditional lint rollers that may contain harsh chemicals, these sheets are formulated without parabens, phosphates, dyes, or plastic. They are also cruelty-free, making them a responsible choice for eco-conscious consumers. This means you can remove those pesky pet hairs without compromising on safety for you or the planet. Now, who can benefit from using Dr.Easy Hugesheets? Well, if you're a pet owner, especially of furry friends like cats and dogs, these sheets are practically essential. But they're not limited to pet owners alone. Anyone who finds themselves dealing with lint or hair on their clothing or upholstery will appreciate the efficiency of these Hugesheets. Whether you have a long-haired cat that loves to snuggle on your favorite sweater or a dog that sheds everywhere, these sheets have got you covered. Practical use cases for Dr.Easy Hugesheets are virtually endless. Imagine you're heading out for a special occasion, and you notice your outfit is covered in pet hair. With these Hugesheets, you can quickly and easily roll away the fur in seconds, leaving you looking polished and ready to impress. Or perhaps, you've just finished a cozy movie night with your pet on the couch, and now the furniture is a mess of hair. A quick swipe with the Hugesheets will have your living space looking tidy again in no time. In addition to clothing and furniture, Dr.Easy Hugesheets are perfect for use in your car. If you often take your pets on adventures, you'll find that these sheets come in handy for keeping your vehicle's interior looking fresh and clean, no matter how much fur your furry companion sheds. In summary, if you're looking for an effective, eco-friendly solution to tackle lint and pet hair, the Dr.Easy Lint and Hair Remover Pet Hugesheets are definitely worth considering. With their